What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financial Pro YouTube channel. Please subscribe, comment below. Today I'm going to talk about how to make money selling crafts. And this is coming from the Well Kept Wallet. I will put the link to their website in the video description. They have some great information on their website, guys. Check it out when you have time. Number one is Handmade at Amazon. Handmade at Amazon is a sub-store of the wildly popular Amazon site. The site allows crafters to create a personalized storefront for showcasing their items. Handmade at Amazon has two plans for those wanting to sell handmade items. A free professional plan for those who sell under 40 items in any given month. That's $39.99 per month. And a professional plan for those who over 40 items in any given month. So let's see, the professional plan, if you sell under 40 items per month, that's free. So if you sell above 40 items per month, it's $39.99 per month on Handmade at Amazon. Let's see. If you currently have an individual selling plan at Amazon, you must upgrade to one of the professional selling plans before registering with Handmade at Amazon. While this fee, which is $1 minimum referral fee per item. The second one is Artfire. Artfire allows artists in a number of genres to display their items for sale. The site features jewelry, clothing, shoes, hair accessories, neckties, handbags, scarves, and more. There are 3 different plans for opening a shop on Artfire, ranging in price from $4.95 per month, that's $4.95 per month, to $40 per month. Here's some information on that. The standard shop is $4.95 per month. That's a 23-cent listing fee per item. The popular shop is $20 per month. No listing fees, a 3% sale fee, up to 1,000 active listings. The featured shop is $40 per month. No listing fees, a 3% sale fee, and up to $2,500 active listings. And that's on Artfire. You have Etsy, which you all probably heard of. Etsy is probably the #1 in selling crafts on the website. Let's see, 20 cents per listing. After a sale is made, you would be charged an additional 3.5% sales fee and a 3.25% processing fee on Etsy. Bonanza. Bonanza is a setup store similar to Amazon. They offer commercial retail items as well as handmade items in a variety of genres, including health and beauty, jewelry, accessories, home and garden as well. I've been on their website before. eBay. eBay is something that you probably don't think of when it comes to crafts, but you can sell anything on eBay as well. Sorry about that. I had a call coming in, guys. You can sell anything on eBay, just like Amazon, pretty much. Basic store. The eBay Basic Store is available for $24.95 on a monthly pay basis, or the equivalent of $19.95 per month if you pay annually. The Premium Store is $74.95 per month, or $59.95 per month if you pay annually. That's the Premium Store. Anchor Store option with eBay is meant for big sellers. You moving thousands of units per month. A cost of $349.95 per month, or $299.95 per month if you pay annually. Let's jump to the next one, which is Folksy. Folksy is a craft selling site that opens to British sellers only. You're in Britain, you go on Folksy. With Folksy, you can sell handmade clothing, jewelry, art, stationery, and more. GLC Craft Mall. GLC Craft Mall is an online craft mall dedicated to sharing a wide variety of handmade crafts for sale. You have arts and crafts items, bath and beauty items, clothing and accessories, children's toys, gifts and clothing, glass items, jewelry, religious items, sportswear, vintage, and wooden items. This site features 3 different store options to choose from. You have basic, semi-pro, and the pro store. We have Icraft next. Icraft advertises that it offers sellers and buyers creativity without borders. As a seller on Icraft, you are strictly limited selling only handmade arts and crafts and fashion. And since I'm going to put this video on my podcast as well, you guys please download this if you're on Financially Pro Podcast. Listen to it. If you're into crafts, this is a great way to make some money on the side. We're all about making money, side hustles, personal finance, credit, things like that. So please download the Financial Pro Podcast as well. And I put chill music on there, lofi music, you guys, because entrepreneurs, people that make money, they need to meditate sometime as well. So that music will help you meditate and give you motivation and inspiration. So that's why I put that music on there. We have eCrater next. eCrater is an online marketplace similar to eBay. It's completely free to open a store on eCrater, and there are no listing fees for using the eCrater marketplace. Most sales will be charged a 2.9% sales fee. However, eCrater does have a limit of 10,000 items per store. So if you're moving 10,000 items, you really doing something for real out here in the drop shipping e-commerce side of business. That is great. Number 10 is Handmade Artist Shop. The Handmade Artist Shop website reminded me a lot of GLC Craft Mall site. Crafters can pay $5 per month to join, or save a bit of cash and pay $50 annually. So that's on Handmade Artist Shop. Zibbit. Zibbit runs similar to Etsy. You open an online store within their site to sell your crafts, and Zibbit has 3 different store options. You guys can check that out. Hyena Cart. Hyena Cart focuses primarily on offering handmade items for sale, but they also allow people to sell non-handmade items as well. They sell only earth, child, and family-friendly items. In other words, nothing adult themed. You can make this. You can make this is an actual site. Works a little bit differently than the other craft selling sites we've talked about. Instead, you sell PDF form instructions on how to make a particular craft item. Wow, I need to get on that because I have a lot of digital products as well. So this can be a great way to make some money on craft products you're not interested in keeping a copyright on. As an author on this site, you are paid 50% of all sales by You Can Make This. Sites that use your designs on their products. Another option for you if you're looking to make money by selling their crafts online is create designs to sell online of selling the actual craft. The great store is Cafe Press. If you make digital items, put them on Cafe Press. Cafe Press allows designers to upload their designs for products the site offers. As a seller on Cafe Press, you will get a commission when an item is sold with your design on it. Redbubble. Redbubble is similar to Cafe Press and sells your designs on t-shirts, mugs, posters, bumpers, stickers, and more. Society 6. Society 6 works very similar to Cafe Press and Redbubble in that you upload your design to their site and they sell that design on products. They promote giving you a commission off of that. Spoonflower. Spoonflower allows you to upload and sell your designs for print on their products too. But the products they sell are limited to gift wrap, wallpaper, and fabric. You earn a minimum of 10% with Spoonflower and up to 15% commission if you sell over $3,000 worth of products in any given month. And they pay by PayPal as well. So you guys that's into crafts, you make handmade items, or you get the stuff from China or whatever, wherever you get it from, Taiwan, American made products, look on there. But I'm gonna tell you what my opinion is when it comes to selling crafts. I will go digital. I will put digital products on Canva, Cafe Press, Redbubble, Society 6. I'm more into digital products. That way you can download it quickly because customers want items now quickly. That's why Amazon has went to the top because they are customer oriented and they know that the customers want the product very quickly. So if you guys into that, please comment below. See you next time on Financial Pro. Please download the podcast Financial Pro as well. Peace and love.